Alright, hello everybody, and welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything to this channel. I've just had so much going on, it's been difficult to even find time for games. If I did find any time, I'm usually jumping around in Quake. And QuakeCon's coming up this weekend, but I won't be around for that. Anyway, I looked at Dyson Sphere program as a little side project. It sounded pretty neat, and I had no idea what I was signing up for here. So I'm just gonna jump into where I've been with this. I'm not starting with an episode 1 here. I just been learning this game as I went. And if I come over here, I click on load game, I'll show you I had a couple of different starter systems, and eventually I noticed these O types were pretty rare, so I kept randomizing until I found bigger and bigger ones. In the 7, I found a system with 7 O-type stars with high luminosity, so I'll jump into this. And here we are. Here's where I am now. Jeez, so if I zoom out, this planet, I believe, is all for sulfuric acid, which I need for other stuff until I find advanced materials, which I'm starting to stumble upon here and there. If I mouse wheel all the way out, you can see the system I'm in here. I believe this planet over here had organic crystals and stalagmite crystals and some crude oil, which I might not need oil for much longer, but for now I will. So I'm using up what I can here and there, and I just got to keep manufacturing parts of a Dyson Sphere and the rockets to launch it all. And this has been coming right here. So these are interstellar logistics stations. These have ships on them that I had to build, like everything. And I was able to ship things out from the previous system I was in via these space warpers. I'll pop some more in there just so they're in there, I guess. You can auto feed those too, but see, and they're off. I don't even know where I sent them right now. I have to look at all my. They're gonna go bring in the organic crystals, because this planet right here is probably where I'll build my next factory. But to keep this video short for now, I suppose I will just warp back to my starter system to show you guys what I have over there. So let's see if I remember how I'm doing this. I zoom out, all the way out, and here's the system I started in. So I'm going to click on that and do an indicator, so I can fly up and see my target point, which I want to line up with so I don't end up in the middle of deep space when I hit the warp button. So I'm going to leave the atmosphere, increase my sail speed to about 400-ish. That's usually good. And engage the warp. So you do have control over your flight in here. If I were to tap, looks like I want to go up a little more. Yep, I want to go up as you get closer. You can see it's hard to be laser point accuracy between light years, you know? And I'll hit the button again to stop. Somewhere by the sun. Yeah, that should be close enough. And here we are. So this planet is... Oh good, they had a hotkey there now. I can just indicate it that way. This is where I built my first mega factory. I mean, well, I guess I'll call it my second because I didn't start on this planet. So again, you hold shift to increase your speed. And press S to slow down. Wham! Okay. Yep. So these over here are solar arrays, or ray receivers, and they are collecting what they can from the sun, what little parts of a Dyson Sphere I threw up there already. If I were to show you that, see, there's only 3 pieces right here. because I realized, you know, this sun, the luminosity is only about, where is it? I have to click on it. The luminosity is just about 1.005, you know, it's basic. I figured, well, if I'm going to build a Dyson sphere around the sun, I may as well find a more powerful sun. So that's why I brought up, I was looking for the O-type stars. So if I zoom out, I believe the best one is out here. Epsilon, yep. If I click on this, the luminosity is 2.495. So that's where I'm going to go build my first Dyson sphere. And that is why I had... Is it going to show? No, I can't go back. Where's the other system? There it is. So that's why I was jumping out towards this system, headed way out in this direction, because I'm going to bring everything I'm making out this way. And it's become a bigger project than I could have anticipated, which is interesting. I mean, for me, it's better than just like point and click, mash 'em up games all day, you know? When I play a game, maybe I'll learn something. So, anyway. These rave receivers are getting what they can, and I built belts. Like, this is not very organized. I just connected them with belts everywhere I could, so of course I could set and forget. Where is it? There's one central point. They're all coming to, yeah, right here. So these are critical photons, and you need these for the endgame research. Real quick on my research, I've just about unlocked and researched everything, besides a couple things at the end, including all my upgrades, and you kind of really need that stuff to really stand a chance at getting out there in the other systems. So this is my second mega factory. This is the one I'm going to use to ship all my parts out from. I already got started on some solar sales. Alright, yep, calling it what it is. And I got a few of the frame parts getting put together over here. So what you do is you come over to this over here, your interstellar logistics, and whatever parts you want to ship out to where, you know, I'm going to be doing that. They're going to go to the next system. And I'm going to work on building those Dyson spheres. I mean, successfully build one before I think about more than one, but we'll see. I'll chip away at this. I this is important here. I guess I can show you real quick. All these magnets I needed to make all these motors, to make all these motors, which ones are electromagnetic turbines, because you need those to make the super magnetic rings, which you need for all sorts of super sciencey stuff. So I have a ton of those already ready, lined up to ship out and manufacture with. And I've been chipping away at this. You know, it's one of those factory building games, as you can see. And once you get things done, you can kind of AFK wait, and I can do other things because I'm a man of many projects, you know, lately. I just don't have the time to just game. But I'm still poking away at them. So that's this system, and I'm going to try and keep this video short. I probably won't upload anything again until next week, if at all. But let's see, I'm going to go back to my starter planet. Here we go. Also, I had some new settings with OBS and my new CPU I've got. Maybe that'll take the load off my graphics card. So right now, the graphics on this are kind of low. Yeah, let me just warp over there real quick. I'll talk about... Oh, yes, you can go right by the planet. But you can instantly stop, too, so... Alright, this is where I started. And I've been slowly deleting and disassembling everything that was once here. I believe I took a screenshot at one point. I can throw it in between the video. These are just here to burn all this hydrogen. I get so much excess hydrogen. Look at all this. Look at all that. Look at it. Glorious hydrogen. So much of it. Sorry, am I talking into my microphone? Am I too far from it? Gotta be careful with my levels. So anyway, this planet is just about used up of all its coal and oil. And and I was using it to make all the sulfuric acid I could, but now that I'm on another planet, I get more of that. So I'm going to be shipping out that way soon. And an interesting thing in this update I should point out too, see if I remember how to bring it up. If you come down here to statistics panel, over here on the left tab side you'll see performance test, and this is showing the load on the CPU and the GPU. And this was important because I got a 2060S for a GPU, which has been pretty good. You know, it does its thing. It's nothing amazing compared to the new cards out today, but I get to see what the RTX stuff can do and some of the newer stuff. And my CPU though lately is the Ryzen 5900X, and I figured that should handle most of the load of everything, so my card only has to focus on the game. And this little update here that Dyson Sphere program has come up with is just awesome now that I can see, because I had so much trouble with my card was overheating in this game. It was going up to like 86 Celsius, and I've never seen that happen in a game before. Like, I don't want to get in that hot. You know, after an hour it was getting that hot. So I'm gonna see how this is gonna work out later, performance wise. And yeah, so that's Dyson Sphere program, and I'm going to be poking away at this some more. I don't think I'm going to do a episode by episode thing. I don't know if I'll have time to. I may just jump in here and there and show you guys I'm building stuff. I don't know. This channel is a little side hobby, you know. It's not a serious business, but I don't know what might come of it. I have no idea what tomorrow will bring. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching my videos, and I'll upload what I can when I can and work on the quality and entertainment and this, that, and the other thing. All right, bye-bye.